This is Grandpa Bozzy, and he's going to be making braciole. So watch, this is a piece of beef. Right?
This is round steak, cut very thin for braciole. We're going to take a wooden mallet. And mash it just a little. And this is fresh parsley that's cut up a little bit. And this is fresh garlic. Just kind of spread it out even. And this is some Parmesan Romano.
Cheese.
And you can either put the raisins in or not. Where we're from in Italy, they put raisins in. We were just outside the city of Naples. And you're going to take it and you're going to roll it. Try to roll it real tight. And once you get it rolled, you want to tie it with some string.
So it doesn't fall apart. Because, what do you do with it?
We're going to cook this in the sauce that Grandma made. And you don't cut your string yet until you tie the knot so you don't waste string. Now we're going to put it in the sauce.
How long do you cook it for?
It cooks for about an hour and a half in the sauce and it gets real tender. And then you can enjoy it. Thank you, kids.